How to replace an Evac vacuum toilet push button. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a crosshead screwdriver. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the outer cover by carefully prising it away. Using the correct screwdriver, remove the screws that retain the backplate. Carefully lift the backplate away and detach the hose. Take care not to lose the hose through the hoe hole. Take the replacement push button, remove the housing and disassemble. Attach the hose to the backplate, making sure it is secure. Carefully feed the hose through the hole and attach the backplate. Do not over-tighten the screws. Assemble the push-button components. Attach the outer cover to the backplate. It should click into place. Test the installation by pressing the push button.